Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, your British English teacher.
And I'm Jake, your American English teacher. How are you today?
I hope you are excited to learn some new English today.
Definitely. Today, we are going to talk about giving instructions.
That's right. We will learn how to use imperatives.
What are imperatives, Emma?
Great question, Jake. Imperatives are commands or instructions.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. For example, sit down is an imperative.
I see. It tells someone to do something.
Exactly. Let's explore some more examples through our conversations.
Sounds fun. Ready when you are.
All right, let's start our first dialogue. Jake, can you open the window?
Sure. Do I turn the handle to open it?
Yes, turn the handle to open it.
Okay, I open the window now.
Great. Can you close the door after?
Sure, I will close it.
And don't forget to stop if someone is walking by.
Got it. I will stop.
Perfect. Now, please start the music.
No problem. I start the music.
Wonderful. Now, let's turn the volume up.
Sure, I turn it up now.
Fantastic. Let's stop here for a moment.
Do we need to close the window again?
That's a good question. If it's cold, yes, close the window.
Okay, I close it now.
Excellent. Now, we will review some instructions in our explanation. Remember, imperatives tell us what to do.
Like, stop, or start.
Yes. Here are more examples. Open the book, close your eyes.
Got it. And we can also say, turn left, right?
Exactly. And one more. Don't talk during the movie.
That's clear. So, imperatives are short and direct.
Right. They are for giving clear instructions.
Let's continue with our second dialogue.
Okay, let's start our new dialogue.
Emma, should I turn on the lights?
Yes, please turn on the lights.
All right, I turn them on.
Perfect. Now, stop for a moment.
Okay, I stop.
Would you open the fridge, please?
Sure, I open the fridge.
Now, can you start making a sandwich?
Yes, I start making it.
Great. Don't forget to close the fridge after.
I won't forget. I close it.
Awesome. Now, let's turn on some music while we cook.
Good idea. I turn on the music.
And, stop if the phone rings.
Okay, if it rings, I stop.
Perfect. Now, let's go over our vocabulary. The first word is open. For example, please open the door.
Like, open your book.
Exactly. Another example is, open your eyes.
Open the window is also a good one.
Great. The next word is close. Say, close the door.
Close your eyes is a nice example.
Yes, and close the book works too.
I like these examples.
Now, let's talk about turn. For instance, turn left.
Like when driving.
Exactly. Or, turn the lights on.
Turn down the volume is another example.
Great job. Next, we have stop. You can say, stop talking.
Or, stop when you're tired.
Wonderful. Finally, start. Like, start studying.
And, start the game works too.
Now let's review what we've learned.
Sure. What's the first imperative we learned?
The first one was, sit down.
Great. And what does open mean?
It means to make something not closed.
What about stop?
It means to cease doing something.
And can you give me an example with turn?
Turn right at the corner is a good example.
What should I do if I want to start a project?
You should say, start the project now.
Nice. This was a very helpful lesson.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Next time, we will learn about asking questions.
I'm excited. See you next time.
See you, everyone. Keep practicing.